If I could go back in time, I'd tell my younger self that growing older isn't just about adding years, it's about shedding habits that quietly push people away. Welcome to Golden Life for Seniors, your trusted space for wisdom, wellness, and lifelong inspiration. If you're over 50 or just seeking life advice rooted in experience, you're in the right place. Today, let's gently uncover 12 patterns that can make others withdraw, and how replacing them with grace helps our golden years truly shine. First, constant complaining. Life brings challenges, dear friends, but when we focus only on shadows, we dim the light for everyone around us. Try sharing one gratitude for every hardship. It transforms the atmosphere. Second, talking only about illnesses. While health updates matter, our stories shouldn't revolve solely around aches. Life is a rich tapestry. Let's weave conversations about joys, discoveries, and simple beauties too. Third, becoming rigidly opinionated. Wisdom is precious, but insisting we're always right drains the warmth from discussions. Listening openly keeps connections alive and tender. Fourth, neglecting personal care. This is delicate, but honoring our bodies through grooming shows self-respect and makes others comfortable near us. Fifth, living in the past. Cherish memories, but don't let nostalgia blind you to today's miracles like video calls with grandchildren or blooming flowers outside your window. Sixth, dismissing younger generations. Every era has its strengths. When we applaud their creativity rather than criticize, we build bridges across time. Seventh, gossiping or meddling. Protecting others' privacy nurtures our own peace and deepens trust in relationships. Eighth, refusing to adapt. Learning a new app or accepting change, betrayal it. Keeping our minds supple and curious. Ninth, playing the victim. Loneliness can tempt us to blame others, but reaching out first often sparks unexpected kindness. If you're enjoying this journey of reflection, don't forget to subscribe to Golden Life for Seniors and join our wonderful community sharing warmth every day. 10th, financial control. Supporting family with strings attached breeds resentment. Give freely or not at all, love shouldn't come with price tags. 11th, refusing help. Accepting assistance isn't weakness. It's an invitation for others to feel needed, creating mutual joy. 12th, losing humor. Laughter smooths wrinkles in the spirit far better than any cream. A light heart draws people closer than a youthful face ever could. Growing old is a profound privilege, but growing with kindness? That's an art. Choose just one habit to soften this week. Watch how it brightens your connections. Check the links below for more inspiring content and helpful resources on nurturing relationships. Thank you for spending this time with us. If this video touched your heart, please give it a like, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe to join our Golden Life community. New videos every week, crafted for your mind, body, and soul. Till next time, take care and stay golden.